Good evening, guys. I just want to share you some information about these mini LED lights. They are so easily that can be stick to any surface or wood or metal, and this one you can fix it anywhere on the wood or the metal. You can sit anywhere. This is a strong sticking substance, and this is the piece of 4, 4, and 4, and I'll have to place under the kitchen area. This is the area because I this is the hidden place that you can see this hidden place, and I want to fix some light that can provide the bright light underneath here, the working place, dishwashing, cutting the fruits, and so and so. And it consumes very low electricity consumption. So the electricity consumption is too low, especially in Pakistan. हमारी कंट्री के अंदर दे ये आइडियल है क्योंकि इनका इलेक्ट्रिकल कंजम्पशन बहुत ही कम है, बहुत ज़्यादा कम है इनका. And they are excellent to use, and they are safe because I have to use 12 volt adapter. They are not connected to 220 volt. I'll let you know how to adapt this thing. um, just uh, just have a look in just not more than 5 minutes. Just hold on. Here we go. Let's see. I'll show you how the connection can be done. Look, this is a positive aspect for this adapter, and I'm going to fix it here, and this one on the negative wire, the plus and minus. एक प्लस होता है, एक माइनस होता है. ये दोनों वायर को मैंने कनेक्ट कर दिया है. कनेक्ट करने के बाद आई डोंट नो प्लस कौन सा है माइनस कौन सा है. लेट्स सी. आई टू फिक्स द अडाप्टर. Yeah. Now you can see by yourself. Looks so nice and perfect suited here. Okay. I think there is something wrong. The plus minus area. It's so easy. पाकिस्तान के अंदर हम लोग easily इसको कनेक्ट कर सकते हैं. We don't have any problem with the connection so far. Look, how about it? If I want to hide these wires, this is an easy task. I can hide these wires up here. I can clip the wire down there. Nobody can see the clips. यहाँ से कोई भी इन clips को देख ही नहीं सकता, उसको नज़र ही नहीं आ सकता. अब मैं आपको बाहर से दिखाता हूँ इसकी अपीयरेंस कैसी है. Have a look. कितना ब्यूटीफुल, कितना कॉम्पैक्ट और कितना ज़्यादा खूबसूरत होगा. Now I'll go for the other side. Let's see. As you can see, I don't like this light. This is too dirty and I hate this light. In fact, last time I tried to fix this light with a screw, but the quality and the output is not too good. I'll replace this light with the same thing I showed you earlier. Just have a look. Here you can see I have fixed all the 4 lights in a straight path, and let's see how they look like after all. Yes. And I use this Black & Decker equipment. This is the chainsaw, this is the sawing machine, this is the drill machine. Fix this thing here like this. I think this is too hard. Have a look. I just connected this thing here, this wire here, and everything is settled here. And I use this drill machine, and this one, I put the hole in it, in this wood, and all the wire that went into it. And after the connection has been made open. Connection जो है वहाँ पे ऊपर दिया है, वहाँ पे ऊपर दिया है connection सारा. इसका connection यहाँ से होल करके ये चार लाइट्स लगा दी. Now just have a look. Can you see this? This is totally unbelievable. बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है और इंतहाई inexpensive, cheap cost में इसमें आपने ये lights लगाई. This one, and you can see the ambience. Look, this one, and the same way this one. And I'll show you that in the night mode as well. And the other light I fixed is this one. This one. But I don't have any connection yet. I'll try to fix another connection in it. I have to fix one light under this light. I'll just have a look, please. I'm going to use this charger, and this charger that has been used for the IP camera. मेरे घर पे कैमरा लगा हुआ उसके लिए यूज़ किया था. उन्होंने replace करा. Now I'm going to use this thing in order to save the cost, because since last few days because of Corona, we have to utilize each and every penny because of the low income level. So, in the same way, I'm going to utilize everything, each and everything that belongs to my place. अब बचत तो करनी है, जब इनकम लेवल कम हो रहा है तो हमारे एक्सपेंसेस को भी हमें कम करना चाहिए. अब ये जो चार्जर है, अगर मैं यहाँ से परचेज़ करने चाहूँ तो दैट विल कॉस्ट मी अराउंड 500 रुपीज़. And why should I need it? I don't need it because I can utilize this charger. Look, I cut this thing into two, and now if this charger is working properly, then definitely it will help me to save my cost and to fix and improve light in the kitchen so that my family can use the kitchen in a proper way. There is something wrong in the connection. I have to reset the connection here. This is the charger, the same charger, and I cut this wire and make this, and this wire is now useless. I have to refix the light again. Same way. It's just a matter of positive and negative. I fix that wire into positive or maybe into negative. And if this charger is working well, everything will be fine. You can see this is working well. All the light, the whole display light is working well. And I use the old charger. This is the charger, and this charger connect the light, and this is all 12-volt light that is connected with the adapter. This one, and this one. Look at the beauty. I totally changed the kitchen environment. So guys, this is the story. It took only 15 minutes and I fixed the light and I replaced all the lights with the micro LED adapter capable 12-volt LED lights. And वो सारी लाइट, जितनी भी लाइट्स थी, वो सारी की सारी किचन के नीचे अंडरनीथ एरिया के अंदर फिक्स कर दी गई. अब वो फिक्स कर दी हैं. अब उनकी लाइट बहुत अच्छी है. They are not expensive, they are very cheap, easily available. But you know how to fix these lights, because otherwise you have to pay another 1,000 or 2,000 rupees to the person who's gonna fix these lights. But it's so easy. You can message me, you can comment me, ask me. I'll let you know where these lights are available and how much these lights for, and you can easily buy that and install all the lights by yourself anywhere you like, under your hobby collections, your kitchen, your garden area, or anywhere you like, behind the television. I used to do this is the time of entertainment and utilize all the time while you are sitting at home. If you have spare time, you can utilize this time and you can fix these things. So in the same way, and please ask me, and if you like, definitely share this video to those who are interested in such things. It's a part of life. We have to do few tasks by ourselves, and this is a surprise task. जब मेरी mother या मेरी wife आके देखेगी तो this is a surprise task and look beautiful, and the total kitchen environment has been entirely changed and look very nice. Thank you for watching and subscribe my channel because मैं ऐसे काम बहुत करता रहता हूँ और आपको सब पसंद आएंगे. I'll show you more. सब्सक्राइब करने से ये फ़ायदा है कि जो भी अपलोड करूँगा वो आपको मैसेज आ जाएगा. If you like it. If you don't like it, please don't subscribe. I don't mind it. But if you can, I shall be really grateful. Thank you so much. Now, this is the night time, evening. You can see the light. I think this is looking much better.